Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let us start with question number 5. We have to find half of first 24 and second 46. So half of 24 and half of 46. We know that we can replace off by multiplication sign. So we have 2 12s are 24. We have 12 as answer. And for second one we have half. We can replace off by multiplication sign. That is equals to 23. B 2 by 3 of 18 and 27. First 2 by 3 of 18 and 2 by 3 of 27. We know that we can replace multiplication sign by of, that is equals to 3 6 is 18 and we have 12 as answer. We can replace of by multiplication sign. 3 9s are 27 and we have 18 as answer. Third is 3 by 4 of 16 and 36. We have 3 by 4 of 16 and 3 by 4 of 36. 3 by 4 into 16, that is equals to 4 4 the 16, 4 3 the 12, and we have 3 by 4 into 36, 9 3 the 27. D is 4 by 5 of 20 and 35. That is equals to 4 by 5 into 20. 5 4 the 20, 4 4 the 16, 4 by 5 into 35, 5 7 the 7 4 the 28. Now we have question number 6. We have to multiply and express in mixed fraction. We know that to multiply whole number and mixed fraction, we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction first. That is 5 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26 divided by 5, and then we can multiply. That is 26 into 3, 26 into 3 equals to 78 divided by 5, and to convert into mixed fraction, we have 15 whole 3 divided by 5. 3 is remainder, 15 complete. This is the answer. For second one, first we have to convert it into improper fraction, that is 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27 divided by 4. Now 27 multiply by 4 multiply by 5, that is equals to 135 divided by 4, and now convert 135 by 4 into mixed fraction. We have 33 complete, remainder is 3 divided by 4. Now see, that is 7 into 2 whole 1 by 4, that is equals to 7 into, convert it into the improper fraction, that is 4 to 8 plus 1 is 9 divided by 4. 9 into 7 is 63 divided by 4. To convert it into mixed fraction, we have 63 divided by 4, that is 15 whole 3 divided by 4. Now D, 4 into 6 1 by 3. First convert it into improper fraction, that is 6 3s are 18 plus 1 is 19 divided by 3. 19 into 4, 76 divided by 3, and to convert it into mixed fraction, we have 25 complete, 1 divided by 3. E, 3 whole 1 divided by 4 into 6. First convert it into improper fraction, that is 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4 into 6. 13 into 6 divided by 4. Now to convert it into mixed fraction, we have 19 whole 2 divided by 4, and F, we have 3 whole 2 by 5 into 8. First convert it into improper fraction, that is 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is 17 divided by 5 into 8. We have 17 into 8 equals to 136 divided by 5. Convert it into mixed fraction, we have we have 27 complete, 1 divided by 5. Now question number 7. We have to find first half of 2 whole 3 by 4 and 4 whole 2 by 9. So half of 2 whole 3 by 4. Now we can replace off by multiplication sign 2 whole 3 by 4, and to multiply first we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, and now multiply, that is 11 divided by 8, and to represent into mixed fraction we can divide 8, that is equals to 1 complete 3 divided by 8. Second is half of 4 whole 2 divided by 9, that is half into 4 whole 2 divided by 9. We have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is 2 into 19 is 38. So we have 19 divided by 9, and to convert it into mixed fraction we have 19 divided by 9, that is equals to 2 whole 1 divided by 9. Now B, you have to find 5 by 8 of first 3 whole 5 by 6 and 9 whole 2 by 3, that is 5 by 8 of 3 whole 5 by 6, that is equals to 5 by 8. We can replace off by multiplication sign 3 whole 5 by 6, that is equals to 5 by 8. We have to convert this into improper fraction, and now multiply, that is 23 into 5. 23 into 5 equals to 115, divide by 6 into 8 is 48, and to convert it into mixed fraction we have 48 into 2, that is equals to 96. We have 2 whole 19 divided by 48. Second is 5 by 8 of 9 whole 2 by 3, that is equals to 5 by 8 of can be replaced by multiplication sign. (29) into 5 equals to 145 divided by 24, and to convert it into mixed fraction we have 145 divided by 24. 24 6 we have 144 plus 1 is 145, so we have 6 complete 1 remainder divided by 24. Now we have last question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 says that Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. They have water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. Now Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of total water, and Pratap consumed the remaining water. If Vidya consumed 2 by 5, we can replace off by multiplication sign, and total water is 2 by 5. We have 5 liter, that is equals to 5 get cancelled. We have 2 liter. So Vidya consumed 2 liter of water, and remaining is consumed by Pratap, that is Pratap consumed remaining water, that is 5 minus Vidya consumed, that is 5 minus Vidya consumed 2 liter, that is equals to 3 liter. But we have to find what fraction of total quantity did Pratap drink. So the fraction of water Pratap drink that is equals to Pratap drink 3 liter of water and total was 5 liter. So Pratap drink 3 by 5 fraction of water. In next lecture we will be starting with topic number 2.1.2, multiplication of fraction by fraction. Thank you.